Stay in the know with the Alarm.com video doorbell. With doorbell call notifications enabled, you'll instantly be alerted anytime someone rings your doorbell. From this notification, you can jump right into your doorbell's live video feed to see and chat with whoever's at your door. To begin, log into the mobile app, tap the menu icon, followed by notifications. If push notifications are not enabled, toggle them on now. Tap the add button. From the list of notifications, tap doorbell call. Select your video doorbell and button push to vent so that you are notified each time someone rings your doorbell. Next, select whether this notification should be active at all times or only during select days and time frames. Tap Add Recipient to choose who should receive the notification and how it will be delivered. It is recommended to select Push Recipients. Push notifications allow you to answer the doorbell call directly without having to first open the mobile app. Once you are finished adding recipients, tap Close to exit the address book. To finish, tap Save. If you are away from home or unable to answer a doorbell call, you can still see who stopped by with a recorded clip of the event. To create a doorbell call recording rule, begin by logging into the website. Click Video, followed by Recording Rules. Click Add New Rule. From the list of new video rule options, click Doorbell Call Recording Rule. Using the Select a Camera drop-down menu, select your video doorbell. Click Add to choose who should receive the video clip recording notification and how it will be delivered. Once you have selected your recipients, click Close to exit the address book. Use the drop-down menu to decide whether each recipient should receive a text-only notification informing them that a recording has taken place, or whether a thumbnail from the clip should be attached. To finish, click Save. You can pause this recording rule from the website or mobile app at any time. To access your recording rule in the customer app, tap the menu button, followed by Video. Tap the Settings gear, followed by Recording Rules. Locate your doorbell call recording rule. To pause the rule, toggle it off. To resume the rule, simply toggle it back on again.